Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home. Welcome to the science class. So today we will start revise chapter number 12. But before starting this chapter, we will revise the previous worksheet. Here is the worksheet. Question number 1. Harmful germs in water can be killed by dash. So harmful germs in water can be killed by boiling. Dash is the process of removing light solid impurities through a filter. Which is the process of removing light solid impurities through a filter? The process is known as filtration. Next question, define condensation. The process of changing water vapor into water on cooling. This process is known as condensation. Next, name some purification methods to purify the water. Some purification methods to purify the water are sedimentation, decantation, filtration, boiling and chlorination. And the last question, what does the term sedimentation mean? The term sedimentation means the process by which heavy insoluble particles in a solution settle down at the bottom. Okay students, I hope you all have done this worksheet in your notebooks. Now we will start revise chapter number 12, the solar system. So we live in a very big planet called Earth, which gets its light and heat from the sun. Earth goes around the sun in a nearly circular path. And you all know very well that there are 8 planets going around the sun. So the sun has a family known as the solar system. What forms the solar system? The sun along with its family of 8 planets, their moons and other heavenly bodies that revolves around it forms the solar system. The sun is as the center of the solar system and it is also a star that gives out heat and light. It is the main source of energy in the entire solar system. What is planet? Planet is a large spherical object that revolves around a star. It means that revolves around the sun. Planets do not have light of their own. They receive light from their star from the sun. And when these planets reflect the light from the sun, they appear shiny. The 8 planets in the solar system are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. And some of the planets have one or more natural satellites. And the natural satellites are also called as moons. Earth has a natural satellite, that is moon. Similarly, all planets have their own satellites. A natural satellite is a heavenly body revolving around a planet. Here, the planets of our solar system can be divided into 2 groups. That is, first one is terrestrial planets or rocky planets and next one is gas giants. So the 4 terrestrial planets or rocky planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. Why they are terrestrial or rocky planets? Because they are mostly made up of rocks. Next is gas giants, gas planets. 4 gas giants are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Because they are massive gas planets, so they are also called gas giants. Now, let us learn more about these 8 planets are Mercury. Mercury is the planet that is closest to the sun. And it is the smallest planet in the solar system. It has 0 number of moons It means it has no satellite of their own, and here duration of the day is 59 Earth days. Next is Venus. Venus is the second planet from the Sun and the closest to the Earth. It is also known as the morning star and an evening star because it is the brightest object in the sky, so it can be seen just before sunrise and just after sunset. So it is also known as morning star and evening star also. Again, it has no satellite of their own, and here the duration of the day is 243 Earth days. Next is Earth, Prithvi. Earth is the third planet from the Sun, and it is the only planet where life exists. It is the biggest rocky planet. It has one natural satellite, that is Moon, and here duration of day is 24 hours. Next is Mars. Mars is the fourth planet of the Sun, and the surface of the Mars is red, therefore it is also known as red planet. It has two number of moons, and here the duration of the day is 24.6 hours. Next is Jupiter. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun and the first gas giant, and is also known as the largest planet of the solar system. It has 79 number of moons and the duration of the day is 10 hours. Next, Saturn. Saturn is the sixth planet and it is the second largest planet after Jupiter. It has 62 number of moons and duration of the day is 10.7 hours. Next is Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun and third largest planet in the solar system. It has 27 number of moons and duration of the day is 17 hours. Next, Neptune. Neptune is the eighth planet and the last planet from the Sun. It is 4 times wider than the Earth and it is windiest of all the planets in the solar system. It has 14 number of moons and duration of the day is 16 hours here. Okay, I hope you all will get about the 8 planets. Now remaining chapter we will discuss in the next video. Here I am giving you a worksheet. Question number 1, name the hottest planet in the solar system. Question 2, what forms the solar system. Question 3, name them planet that has life on it. Name the planet which is known as morning star, and name 2 terrestrial planets and name 2 gas giants. Okay, complete this worksheet in your science notebook. Okay, thank you students, have a nice day.